We're here to celebrate the grand opening of our global headquarters for water utility and our USA headquarters. We're excited to open this building because it represents a new landmark for us in the USA.
You're going to find an amazing building here, which is a LEED green platinum building, and I think you'll find it very, very exciting, and it's a fantastic landmark for Grundfos here in the USA. This started many, many years back, and I'm just super proud of what we have done.
Welcome to Grundfos USA.